Welcome to Bike Shift, the channel where we explore the latest machines shaping the future of motorcycling. Today, we dive into the all-new 2026 Yamaha Tracer 7 GT, a sport tourer built for riders who want comfort, performance, and long-distance capability in one precise package. This is a machine designed to elevate touring without sacrificing the thrill of dynamic riding. The 2026 Tracer 7 GT continues Yamaha's legacy of producing versatile and lightweight sport tourers. This version refines that formula even further, focusing on long-distance practicality and improved rider experience. Its compact size, balanced ergonomics, and advanced enhancements make it ideal for daily commuters and touring enthusiasts alike. Powering the Tracer 7 GT is Yamaha's familiar CP2 689 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, renowned for its reliability, torque-rich character, and smooth delivery. For 2026, Yamaha enhances fuel mapping and mid-range torque output, giving the bike even stronger acceleration and effortless highway cruising. The signature crossplane philosophy ensures linear power and excellent throttle response, making every ride engaging yet controlled. Yamaha elevates comfort with several GT-exclusive upgrades. The touring seat provides improved cushioning for both rider and passenger, ensuring comfort on extended journeys. The taller touring windscreen reduces wind buffeting, making high-speed travel smoother and less tiring. Additionally, the bike comes standard with large side cases, offering practical storage for travel essentials without compromising balance or stability. The 2026 Tracer 7 GT includes modern technological enhancements to support the rider. A full-color TFT display provides clearer data visibility and compatibility with smartphone connectivity. Yamaha also integrates advanced rider assist features, including traction control, multiple ride modes, and refined ABS tuned for both spirited riding and long-distance touring. These systems ensure confidence and control on unpredictable roads. Designed for versatility, the lightweight chassis and revised suspension settings offer improved stability and agility. Whether carving mountain twisties or cruising down long highways, the Tracer 7 GT maintains precise handling. The upgraded suspension provides a smooth ride even with luggage and a passenger, making it a dependable option for all conditions touring. The 2026 Tracer 7 GT features a sharper, more aerodynamic profile, blending sporty edges with fluid touring lines. New LED lighting enhances visibility, while the updated bodywork improves airflow and overall efficiency. The bike's dynamic stance captures the essence of a true sport tourer, aggressive yet comfortable. The 2026 Yamaha Tracer 7 GT is crafted for riders who seek adventure without compromise. With upgraded comfort, class-leading versatility, advanced tech, and Yamaha's dependable performance, it stands as one of the most balanced mid-weight touring motorcycles in its segment. Whether you're taking on a long-distance journey or navigating everyday roads, the Tracer 7 GT promises a ride that blends excitement with practicality. Thank you for watching Bike Shift. Stay tuned for more updates, reviews, and deep dives into the motorcycles shaping tomorrow's roads.